I've tried everything, nothing changed. No real, I can see this is how my life changed. And I met Sean and one session. She literally saved my marriage. I mean, I credit her with that. She just throws herself into it and puts her whole heart and soul into it. And her brilliance and her intuition is amazing. And she just got to the heart of it. I heard her like she was the first person who I thought heard me. And it changed everything. When I just started trusting the process, he just stepped up to the plate and said, "This is how amazing I can be for you." And he is. And we have the most amazing marriage. I've never been happier. I've been married 15 years. And that was all it took for me to be like, wow, she can like really see your heart and really see your stuck places and help you to see it without feeling forced or yelled at or judged or any way whatsoever. And basically invited me to freedom as opposed to pushed me in any direction. So yeah, changed my life. I've been with her ever since.